So these people never go for political narrative. So we are taking the responsibility. We are trying to voting for them. Coming election, not the part of election, coming election. TMC could be the crucial matter. TMC. If it is support BJP or Congress, because TMC never can form the government. TMC, Supreme Court Congress, government will form the government in center. So that is a possibility analysis.
In one sense, all it brings about the results. Even if you Congress, the whole Congress may get 30, 54, 55, 56, not more than that. That's maximum. That is a very good result. But it would mean this. If none of the